Anh mà gu cho này bị Timo Peny Uce tie ali berdek kini yang mana dia beach yang mana mai komedi ini itu anyira tie ali bercen kini yang bercen kepiar beach dia bor mudong ini ali bercen kini yang biar rumah yang bercen di tiang bor kirbet kumel man pen jing ma UNEB ma ni ho de tiang ngu chu ki pe na ba ne ni podcast ya mu tin ma de mu kana report mu de ka pia rio man Centa man di pe tiang pe gu bene tiang mi ta me lo chang ne ne ana ko no cha ka ti ko pe ni ni go ko no report pi dan ma on pia ri nya pia de manu ke penyo pe mir pe school ana miri mamegi Peke can you dig me man audio again?
Avoid it while Claude Moname you report and la date Otti Nyeko Walter ma en benate headmaster me Layibi College part schools manyen mo kana ken peng no gi pera ki centers so gi chere traditional schools wakitem penki kono so kombeti ne center rio mo kana gi pera pego nyote Timo Peny Layibi College and we are poor young Kampala Kanyo school money Kenyo kono kololo ka money no school money Kenyo kilone premier high no gipara ki center gijar gi penye kwe I kololo SS in until a point money Kenyo mano UNEB gives you a center
loke tek mi achel I penye kikeni centers no tie lutia na yobe rupe Kalo tiano pego chuane center ene ngoma time. That's the first question. Mi ario centers po o Timo Peny no gen ginge ngoma time the back end. Eto Timo Peny centers ma part ema tie schools mo kene ma food picture chuane mi roke nyanga dani their center is legally binding and registered. And if I give you an example, a school we po watching I take school in Galbora. School Genotime Yeni is a new school. Initially it was a primary school. Wala or senior secondary school. We take 10 candidates. Mago Timo Peny Imwara eni. Eto genmo atima Yeni wakwanyo lotini wachwalo giyo school achel wa yamoro. Lotina pa Timo Peny mamegi. So ngoma tika time UNEB nyo registration procedure pa school. Wayini oromo fonyo lotino S4 no pay kingo kisenta mamegu. Gichero getimo school Peny school manga school mo kene eto kago dugo grades mo dugo ene gidaka school mo ni chani ero tika konyo won me yepo kakawu minongo center number mamego PM center number their procedures ni mi rebet kena palotier makoman mi rebet kilo fonye mati qualified makoman na mane benatie work minu center number chi any time transfer any team I have witnessed it.
It takes longer than anticipated. Like schools they end up even being closed. It dark long oh school am no nene kind school do shopping mall. I think UNEB has to be more keen.
No, UNEB must be keen. Me and Chelmen schools makumaro they live outlive. Ni Mwagadi make me school to graduate over a period of time for them to get a license number for UNEB. Kaka wachini wami PMI nursery school for example kemiyo Mwaga Beach. Ninge Mwaga Beach ke yibo jimi weng madong chiarka o Mwaga Beach no miriti ichoneo. But ideally within 3 years before you reach the 5 you should have done that. Wadugu kumeni school mi senior 4 is only 3 years. Ka school chake Mwaga Chel Mwaga Rio Mwaga mi adeka should have a center number. At least that should be sorted.
Process meeting school is very stressful. Imagine that the war me pendong any because that period me pen any we no peti ye
o tiar bene environment manien
it is environment manien it is setting ki jomo kan ma pen ngeyugi it is school manien cha kan ki tingi ki lori ku nyen gera don ki gan lok me lori sports schools ben no ngedi school buses era kara ma chon yang no ki tingi tin kwani lori it is school ki ne piro wo dian lori ki tero we center mo kan ka dok yago ki kono so this organization and ramo contributing to port pen bana
tingu dan lori wa na karama ke kobo kwere monyo we dano tamni it was the best way of transport kene ni ongla ko tinga ne ke we ko tinga ke diang to wale ma
ero tinga ni ngao tinga ba
oti megere
la yibi ki secret heart ke weng no ti pink uniform lori
kaloro o imu ke dano wane kwere ke biro ke waje bene but that was then come don't give take a lot
schools weng don't take buses
one what tinga no tinga ma megwa ke motaka ma drone ma leng what tinga gi what chao ero we parking mattress ba mattress chero wote moto dano
wo voro ke kono
go bero kono go voro kono for until the end of the exam period and that's the agreement gena be yeni it relieves the stress and this is the time make wayeni lotier manoti de weng dark bere boarding so that they can concentrate which also gives them an opportunity mi chakono taking into deep analysis mitimo revision gena pera tera yeni schools ma gipeke center numbers should work towards nongo center number schools malotiano chone ye fut pa munyo kumira wachini UNEB trika bino koko chako bino maduong e munyi la wo wachi ko tino munyi ni invigilators a few dire bi munyi ni lotiano mokana pego Timo Peny e bi munyi lotiano schools mokana go chamo cherneo these are all stories makaro ikara mi Peny we are here to tell you the stories and we also want to say one to kany mikelo nerni